Welcome to Mr. Office Excel Daily 1-Minute Tips. Today's tip: freezing panes. Let's learn how to keep your headers and important columns visible while you scroll through your data. First, let's freeze the top row to keep the headers visible. Go to the View tab, click on Freeze Panes, and select Freeze Top Row. Now, when you scroll down, the headers stay in place. Next, let's freeze the first column to keep the date visible. Click on Freeze Panes and select Freeze First Column. Now, when you scroll right, the dates stay in place. Finally, let's freeze both the headers and the first column together. Select cell B2, click on Freeze Panes, and select Freeze Panes. Now, when you scroll down or right, both the headers and the first column stay in place. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily Excel tips. See you tomorrow with another tip.